Emily and Rose Toronto is being promoted as a stylish Canadian fashion boutique with big discounts and a heartfelt local brand story. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another fake online clothing store. The website for Emily and Rose Toronto presents itself as a long-running boutique with a personal backstory and frequent clearance sales of up to 50 to 80% off. That kind of branding, emotional storytelling plus heavy discounts, is very common among viral fashion stores. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Online boutiques and dropshipping fashion stores are real, and many operate globally without physical storefronts. However, here's the key point. Stores like this often follow a repeated pattern seen in multiple similar Canadian boutique brands, and that's where concerns start to appear. There are some surface-level positives. Clean, modern website design, attractive product photos and trendy styles, large discounts that seem appealing, claims of being a local or a heritage brand. But when you look deeper, there are several red flags. First, the pricing strategy. Constant clearance sales of 50 to 80% off are commonly used by dropshipping stores to create urgency rather than reflect real discounts. Second, lack of verifiable brand presence. Many of these stores claim to be based in cities like Toronto, but there's often no clear physical store history or independent proof of the brand existing locally. Third, this store strongly resembles other widely reported scam-style brands like Emma and Rose. Reviews for similar names show consistent complaints. Items arriving that look nothing like photos. Cheap synthetic materials instead of advertised fabrics. Long shipping times from overseas. Difficult or expensive returns. Poor or non-existent customer service. In many cases, customers believed they were buying from a Canadian boutique, but later discovered products were shipped from overseas and didn't match expectations. There are even reports of nearly identical Toronto boutique stores with different names being flagged for misleading advertising and low-quality products, which suggests a template-style operation rather than a unique brand. So, is Emily and Rose Toronto a legit fashion store or another fake? It falls into a high-risk category. While it may technically deliver products, the overall pattern strongly suggests a drop-shipping-style store with misleading branding rather than a true Canadian boutique. The bottom line is this. Emily and Rose Toronto is likely not a scam in the sense of taking money and disappearing, but it shows many warning signs of a low-quality, misleading online fashion store. If you're expecting premium boutique clothing, you'll probably be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.